How to fix Strava incorrect distance. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Strava incorrect distance. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your Strava application is not showing you the accurate distance of your activity, then it probably might be because of one reason. So to fix this, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option, and further tap on the location services option. Now firstly, make sure the toggle button for location services is enabled, and next, scroll down and find the Strava application there and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure the while using app option or the always option is selected, and most importantly, make sure the toggle button for precise location is toggled on. And if not, then go ahead and toggle on the button for precise location. When this toggle button is enabled, it allows apps to use your specific location. And when this toggle button is toggled off, apps can only determine your approximate location. So this is how you can fix Strava incorrect distance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.